We rely on our vehicles so much these days, but what happens if we're involved in an accident and need to make a claim on our car insurance? Now, most people expect that under the terms of the policy that they'll be entitled to a courtesy vehicle, and while this sometimes is the case, it's not always true. Due to the rising cost in car insurance, not everyone will opt for a courtesy car as part of a premium in order to lower the costs. Also, in order to be competitive, not all insurance policies will include a courtesy car as standard. The courtesy car may be added at an extra cost if selected by the customer. Now, something else worth noting, as standard, generally speaking, you may not be entitled to a like-for-like vehicle. For instance, if you drive a van, don't assume you'll automatically be entitled to have a van in the event of an accident. Now, each insurer is different, so we advise that checking the terms of your contract is a wise thing to do, regardless of whether or not the accident was your fault. If you're struggling to understand your entitlement, please just ask one of our friendly team for help. Here at Cars, we have a range of courtesy vehicles to support our customers should they require one. In our fleet, we have cars and vans, all of which are available in manual and automatic. This means you can bring your vehicle to a local independent accident repair centre without worrying about getting around if your vehicle's in for repair.